important. So that's what we're going to do as well. So this is the phone. So the phone that all of you guys have been waiting for, maybe this video. I can tell you first look. I actually take back what I said about the whole oral thing. They actually did keep it. I'll come back to this in a minute, actually. I don't want to talk too much. Here you get these sort of tacky headphones. So earphone. I think a lot of people won't use this. Personally, if I was using this phone as my main phone, I'd probably get these and throw them in the bin because no one uses these earphones anymore. Get either cheap pair of wireless earbuds on Amazon or just get a Galaxy Buds Plus like I have. So yeah. And here is the quick charge USB 3.0. So you have your micro HDMI stuff there as well, which will give you quick charge. I don't know if it'll give you quick charging, I don't know if it's a quick charger. It's not a quick charger, but yeah. But this is a travel adapter. So yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, so everything's that. So let's just actually look at the phone now and see how it is. I know a lot of people like it when I do this. Oh, that's very not satisfying. I think it's I'll put that one like this. Okay, so first look. The back doesn't come off obviously. That's really smudge there. But anyway, first look. Taking back what I said about the whole oral thing and the whole finish. It actually isn't plain blue. So on the box it looks plain blue, but actually in real life it's actually has reflective. This is me, my unboxings and fun here today, and today I have with me the brand new, just released Samsung Galaxy A41. Now this phone actually got released in the UK a few weeks ago, and it has amazing specs. So you can see it has a 48 megapixel camera. It has an amazing 25 megapixel front-facing camera. And today I'll be testing out whether this phone has an IP rating. Does it actually withstand water, pressure? If you bring this thing into the swimming pool, if you bring it into the sea, would this actually withstand water? And in terms of pressure, what pressure can it withstand? So I don't know if this phone actually has an IP rating. Some people say that European versions or versions like Japanese versions don't have an IP rating, but European versions do. I don't know what the brag is about online, but I'll be addressing this today. This is the UK version if you're wondering, and let's see what happens when we put this underwater. So the first thing I'm going to do, just to open my tap as usual and see what happens under low pressure. So you can see under low pressure, guys, this phone is, let me turns off. It actually is fine. I'm going to put it in the actual port here, so just to see what happens. So I'm putting it here now. Okay, nothing's happening. Nothing happens basically under low pressure. So you can conclude safely that if you actually drop this into, like, I don't know, the toilet accidentally, or if you dropped it into the sink accidentally when you're washing the dishes, I don't know, whatever you've done, the phone will actually function properly. The fingerprint scanner, let's see if I just dry it off, if it works again. Yeah, the fingerprint scanner, I don't know if it works, but certainly I could tell you the touchscreen sensor does work. Everything works perfectly fine. Cool. Now what if I put the phone under a high pressure? So I'm going to increase the pressure slightly and see what happens. Nothing much happens, you can see. Again, the phone is perfectly fine. Okay, and now what about if I increase it a higher pressure now? This is the highest pressure it can go, and let's see what happens. So first, I'm literally, look, putting it in water. Literally, look, sliding down the water and sliding back up. Oh shit. My thing's about to overflow, which I don't want to happen. But you can see the phone is still perfectly fine. Slide up, and you can see, I'm actually impressed. The phone still works perfectly fine. You can see that the motion of my slide is a bit slow, maybe because of the water. Give that a quick clean. See that back. Yeah, it's still a bit laggy. You can see the phone's actually quite laggy now. The camera, does it still work? It still works. Let's see if the rear facing camera works. Okay, let's take a picture of the full set just to show you guys. And it's a bit, oh, actually, where is it? Okay, why the hell is it? Okay, you can see it still works. You can see the picture of the tap. It looks very high quality. So the camera is actually intact. The phone's actually quite laggy now for some reason. Maybe because the water got inside the sensor or got inside the screen. Or underwater, like if you bring it under the sea and like, I don't know, whatever. But if you dropped it in a toilet, or if you're cleaning the dishes and it just drops in the sink, I think it would still be fine. It wouldn't have any major effects. But bringing this phone underwater, taking pictures underwater, stuff like that, this phone can't withstand it. As you can see, it's completely dead. The phone's completely dead. It's not responsive to any of my touch. So definitely don't bring this phone into water. Stay safe, guys, and I will catch you guys later. If you want me to make any other videos, please leave your comments down below. I will try my best, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later.